Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. 18th December at the Don Bosco Muhazi Vocational Training Center was a day of celebration due to the arrival of materials needed for various activities financed by the ACTEC project, a development program co-financed by the Belgian Directorate General for Development Cooperation and Humanitarian Aid. The rector of Don Bosco Muhazi, Father Bazu Miragi Raymond, SDB, expressed his gratitude to the ACTEC donors who made this project possible and emphasized the importance of the day for the school. One of the clubs benefiting from the ACTEC project is the Environmental Club, which focuses on nature protection. The materials provided will enable its members to continue in the important work of protecting the environment. With these resources, students can explore their creativity and expand their artistic skills. In addition, the sports club received the necessary equipment that will enable them to improve their training and participate confidently in competitions. The Don Bosco Educational Center of Jabato dos Guars organized a Christmas event for the children who participate in the festive oratory activities on 17th of December. Each week throughout the year, they have been accompanied by recreational activities, snacks, and lots of fun. The event took place at the conclusion of the oratory's festive activities, and over 100 children together with their families benefited from toys, school supplies, and clothes. In addition to the distribution of gifts, food baskets with basic necessities were also handed out, consisting of generous donations from students attending the Salesian Educational Center. The initiative saw the active participation of more than 20 volunteers, including students, past pupils, employees and novices of the Salesian Colonia of Jabato dos Guars. Recorded on Saturday, 16th December 2023, the Christmas concert in the Vatican at the Auditorium of Conciliation will air on Monday, 25th of December on Channel 5 in the early evening. The artists, presented by Federica Panicucci, launched an appeal to support a project of the Missione Don Bosco Salesian Mission Office in Turin that offers girls living on the street in Freetown, Sierra Leone, an educational path of recovery and social inclusion. Sierra Leone is one of the poorest African countries in the world, where 380% children suffer from chronic malnutrition, a desperate condition that threatens their health and very survival every day. Misery, vulnerability and lack of sources of income for families are just some of the triggers of this plague that affects the smallest and most fragile, to which are added to serious consequences of 11 years of a bloody internal war, natural disasters such as floods, landslides or fires, and the tragic Ebola epidemic, all of which have had a terrible impact on the population of this land. In the early hours of Monday, 18th of December, Father Dario Perara, Superior of the Blessed Caferino Namuncura Province of Southern Argentina, ARS, sent a statement to the provincial community to express his solidarity with the Salesian communities affected by the heavy rains and storms that affected the area of the capital, Buenos Aires, last weekend. On the occasion, I sent you this message with concern about the terrible storm that this weekend hit Bahia Blanca and its surroundings and several cities in the metropolitan area of Buenos Aires, he said. And he explained, the Colegio Don Bosco is deeply saddened by the death of a child, a student of the school and his father. For this reason, we pray intensely for this educative and pastoral community so that the father's consolation may reach this family in these moments of inexplicable pain. As part of an exciting event that took place last December 18th, the bakery school El Salvador was inaugurated, a pastry school located in the premises of the Salesian Institute San Jose. The inaugural ceremony saw the participation of illustrious authorities and important institutions, thus consolidating a significant stage for education and training in the field of pastry making in the country. Among the guests were the Salesians of the Salesian Province of Central America, CAM, including the Inspector Father Julio Navarro, representatives of the NGO via Don Bosco, the Bakery School Foundation, and the Apostolic Nuncio of El Salvador, Monsignor Luigi Roberto Cona. The authorities present highlighted educational values, academic excellence, and the importance of training highly qualified professionals in the art of baking, pastry making, and chocolate making. Furthermore, the facilities were blessed, thus marking the beginning of a new phase dedicated to the complete training of future bakers and pastry chefs. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.